This is an opportunity for us to get the facts out and to set the record straight. The Supreme Court confirmation hearing for the judge will begin on Monday, and there will be many important questions that will be asked. But I can tell you this, after meeting with her, I'm very positive about her nomination. Judge Sotomayor not only knows the Constitution and the law, but she also knows America. Hers is a classic American story about what's possible in our country through hard work. She came up from nothing. Her dad died when she was young. Her mother did everything for her, including using the last family savings to buy Encyclopedia Britannicas for the hallway. She went on to do very well in college and in law school.
Getting summa cum laude out of Princeton, getting a law review at Yale. She's someone who has really had the benefit of an extraordinary education and has applied it wisely throughout a very large and significant legal career.
We've learned a lot about her work as a judge, 17 years as a judge. She's had more experience, as the president noted, as a trial court judge than anyone that's been nominated to the Supreme Court in the past 100 years. 11 years as an appellate judge, 6 years as a trial judge. If people need to know the evidence is right there in the facts. As a trial judge, she's presided over roughly 450 cases. On the Second Circuit, she's participated in more than 3,000 panel decisions. She's authored more than 200 appellate opinions. In cases where she sat on a panel with Republican-appointed judges, 97% of the time they have come to the same conclusion.
Judge Sotomayor is a historic appointment. She will be the first Latina to serve on the nation's highest bench. But what I am most impressed about Judge Sotomayor is the quality of her credentials. To have so much judicial experience coming into this job and an array of legal experience is something that is going to be an extraordinary asset for all of us.
The compelling story you have heard, and as someone who grew up in the inner city of Brooklyn, New York, Bronx was always our competitor, I can say you do learn a certain toughness, an ability to fight for what you believe in, and sort of a lack of fear, which I think is really important in someone in this position who is going to have to look at what is fair, what is right, what the law says, and be willing to stand up and make the case eloquently for it. When I met with her, I saw that toughness. I saw that fight. I saw that spirit. We need it on the bench.